So the question is, are we potato or an egg or a coffee bean? Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeyhun. I'm sharing with you some professional and personal empowerment tips on the real life example. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share the video and share your comments with me. And without further ado, let's jump to the video. So the question is, are we potato or an egg or a coffee bean? So I will be sharing with you one story. This story is all about struggle. This story occurred between daughter and the father. One day, daughter came to her father and blaming all the problems, all the things that's happening in her life. She was talking a lot to her father, saying that she is not good at work, she has a problem with her husband, her kids are not behaving good, so all the problems coming as a snowball effect to her, and she was sharing this with her father. Father, as being the chef as a profession, listened her very quietly, and after for a while he went to the kitchen. Daughter followed her. Then the father opened the fridge and got one potato, one egg, and from another separate shelf he took coffee bean. He also took 3 pots, and these 3 pots were fulfilled with the water. Then he put these 3 pots boiling temperature. After for a while, this water boiled. Then he put potato on separate pot, egg to the separate pot, and also coffee bean to the another pot. And the daughter was very surprised and was also very much excited what's happening here. So she sat, she was watching her dad, and the dad, after 15-20 minutes, he took all the pots next to each other and asked her daughter, what do you see? And very much surprisingly and excited, daughter told, what do you mean, dad? This is egg, potato and the coffee bean, and of course the boiled water. He told her, no, have a closer look. So she looked. She told her, okay, I see that the potato is very soft now, and the egg is very much stronger, and the coffee bean, it was melted within the water, and it is a coffee actually. So he asked, did you understand what's happened here? She told, no. Can you please explain? And the dad told her that all these 3 foods came across with the same adversity. They all 3 boiled in the same temperature. All 3 reacted differently. So the hard potato reacted being as a soft, and as a result, egg being as liquid became more hard, and coffee bean changed the whole environment, melted and gave very nice smell and taste. So she was shocked. And the example that her dad gave resulted with the conclusion of that we all come across the same problems. It's we choose how to react. Are we potato, being as a hard, then the result as a soft, being weak? Or are we egg, being liquid, weak, then becoming more hard, strong? Or are we coffee bean, changing our environment, changing our toxic environment, changing the smell and being unique? This is all we need to know. We are choosing how to react all the adversities of the life. When adversity knocks on door, it is you reacting to that problem. And reaction being as a potato or egg or the coffee bean is your choice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do share the video, subscribe to the channel, put your comments on the comment box below, and I will see you in our next episode. See you.